Right. If only we had some gas, some kind of potent fuel to reignite the engines. If.
Oh, seriously, that furrow is not agreeing with my delicate inside parts. Oh, see what I mean?
Oh, man, that's a gassy one, Your Highness.
A gassy one? Could it be? Nitrogen, fish oils, and yes, diglycerides. The lemur's Mammalian-Furro-Belches are a perfect rocket fuel.
Mammalian-Furro-Belches? Really? Fine, you're the science guy.
Here, feed them and capture their outgassings in this fuel tube. We'll escape and maybe, just maybe, burn off the toxins in the process.
I did not care for the furrow's tastiness. Did he not get that?
Eat and burp, Ringtail.
I don't
More! Keep them coming. We need more furrow gas.
It tastes like a foot that stepped in wax.
I like how disgusting they are.
Bring it, Ringtail. Bring the big one.
Okay, hold on. Let me work it up. Go get your big brother. Go get your bigger brother.